Dear students, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about the concept of recursion in C language. Now, recursion recursion is the process which comes into existence when a function call itself to work on a smaller problem. It means we can say that in this a function is calling itself again and again. Now any function which is capable of calling itself is called a recursive function. So we can say that any function which call itself again and again in a iterative way, that is again and again, then it is known as a recursive function. Now the calls to the functions are known as recursive calls. Now in a recursion we must have a termination condition. Otherwise we will get an infinite loop that continuously runs without any interruptions. Recursion cannot be applied to all the problems, but it is more useful for the task that define itself in a similar subtask. Now it means we have a problem if it is divided and we got smaller problems of same nature, then the recursion will be applied there. Now generally iterative solutions are more efficient then recursive function call. So this is the disadvantage of recursion. Now some problems are best suited for recursion. For example, we have Tower of Hanoi, we have Fibonacci series, we have factorial finding, etc. Now let us look towards a program in which we are calculating the factorial of a number with the help of recursion. Now what we have to do, we have to declare a function. For example, integer fact we have, then create a void function main. Inside the main, take two variables, one is integer n, another one is integer f. Now give print statement. In print statement, enter the number whose factorial you want. Now scanf %d address of n. Now in f we have called a function fact and passed a number n. Now we have to give the print statement f. Factorial of a number is %d f. Now define a function fact that we have declared above like this. So what we have to do, if n equal to 0, return 0, else if n equal to 1, return 1, and at last we have to give else statement, return n multiply fact n minus 1. So the recursive call is made from here. So this will continuously recurs in nature and the function is called again and again. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.